One document automation hub, unlimited API possibilities. Access every API you need to transform users' experience with the Document Automation Hub. Add industry-leading document workflow automation to your app with first-class support and documentation. The Forms API allows you to create surveys, questionnaires, and web forms, or use HTML templates with customizable fields to collect data from your app users. With the DocGen API, you can generate documents from templates, pre-fill them with dynamic data of any size using field tags, and add conditional lock. The Flows API allows you to run automated document workflows from your app or website. Launch airSlate flows to transfer data and documents between external systems. For e-signature and consent, the e-signature API allows you to embed legally binding e-signatures into your app to send documents for signing, request payments, create fillable templates, and track document status. And coming soon, the Consent API, which will allow you to generate a user consent URL and enable users to agree on certain terms and conditions before e-signing specific documents. For PDF and document editing, the PDF Editing API allows you to embed editing features to allow users to annotate and make edits to PDF documents without leaving your application. With the PDF Tools API, you can merge and split documents, convert PDF files to other formats, password protect, print and export PDF forms online. The Document Automation Hub has everything you need to transform every user's experience. Ready to get started? Contact us now to set up the API for your website or app.